Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review the new Hiland Sabo 2.0 electric commuter bike equipped with a 350 watt high-speed gear hub motor that can reach up to 28 miles an hour. It is waterproof IPX6 rating. It has a removable battery and can go up to 50 miles of range. They also have a gray color variant as well, so I'll put links in the description below if you guys are interested. Starting with the seat post, we have some numbers in the back. It does need to be inserted up to here at the minimum, but you can adjust it. We have a reflector in the back, and here's what the seat post itself looks like. This is for the front wheel, so you could tighten it with the springs on each side. We have the keys to remove the battery. We have the flashlight you could attach to the handlebar. If I pull this, there it is. We do have the pedals. It says left and right over here. It also says it right here. We have the power adapter. This is the plug. It is 100 to 240 volts if you guys are wondering. We get some basic tools, Allen wrenches, and we have the user manual. So this is the battery. To remove it, use the key, you spin this, it pops off, and there we go. Super simple to remove. And the battery is 36 volts, 10.4 amps, so it's 374 watts. And to put it back in, you don't even need the key anymore. You just slide it in, snap it, and you're good to go. This bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes. If I hold the M buttons, the screen goes on, gives me all the vital info. So we have our battery meter, our speedometer, our pedal assist, so currently set to 1. 1 means a little bit of help, goes all the way up to 5, which is a lot of help, and goes all the way down to 0, which means no help, it's just like a regular bike. If I press the M button, it's going to cycle between these, so odometer and a whole bunch of other options right here. And then we have our flashlight. We have a high mode. We have a low mode. And then we have a blinking mode. And then goes back to off. Then we have our shifter, so shift up, shift down. And we have the throttle right here. So you don't actually need to pedal if you don't want to. The throttle will go. I took this thing out for a spin for over an hour, according to the GPS tracks on my iPhone. On the flats, the comfortable cruising speed is around 20 miles an hour. The top speed that I reached on a downhill was 45 miles an hour, and the distance I traveled was around 12 miles on various roads, from roads to sidewalks to off-roading. So here's what I learned. This thing is pretty easy to ride even without the power of the motor, since it's really more of a commuter bike than a mountain bike. The battery is well integrated with the frame, so nothing bulky, and it's pretty easy to remove to take somewhere to charge. The ride comfort is normal on nice even roads and on sidewalks. It does get a bit more bumpy when you go off-roading, however the front suspension does help. Again, this is more of a commuter bike with some occasional off-roading. Granted, I do have to say it is pretty fun to go off-roading with it. The bike feels solid and the brakes work great. The only con that I noticed was on the steeper uphills, you would need to put in some more effort to get up there as the motor isn't too strong. Granted, I should mention that I am a little over 200 pounds. So if you weigh less, it should be less of a problem. And again, this is more for the steeper uphills, not for the lower incline hills. In conclusion, if you live in a fairly hilly area, then I would opt to get something more expensive with a stronger motor to ease the ascents. Aside from that, if you're looking for a more of a budget-friendly electric commuter bike, I would definitely give this thing a try. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below, and as always, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.